Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much of.
Go ahead and start tapping on the side of your hand and repeat after me. Even though I'm feeling all this sadness, because this season is just not the same, I accept myself and this feeling. And even though I feel all this sadness, because this holiday season is just not the same, I accept myself anyway. And even though I'm noticing that I'm feeling so much sadness, because this holiday season, it just isn't the same, but I accept myself anyway. Top of the head, feeling all this sadness. Eyebrow, all this sadness because this season just isn't the same. Side of the eye, all this sadness. Under the eye, this season just isn't the same. Under the nose, and I feel all this sadness because of it. Under the mouth, this season just isn't the same. Collarbone, this season just isn't the same. Under the arm, and I feel all this sadness. Good. Go ahead and do the wrist point, all this sadness. This season just isn't the same. And switch sides, all this sadness. Go ahead and take a deep breath here. This season just isn't the same, and so I'm feeling all this sadness. Good. Go ahead and relax. Take a deep breath, and just tune in to what you're feeling now.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly,
So once you've worked with that number and that sadness and gotten that number down to about a 2 or less, now you're ready for a reframe, for a new perspective on the situation. So this is the tapping sequence for you.
but oh, Christmas tree. More than anything.
Even though I do feel sad because this season just isn't the same, it just doesn't feel the same, I choose to focus on all the little ways I can adapt to this situation. Top of the head, I choose to focus on how I can cultivate holiday spirit regardless of the situation. Eyebrow, I choose to stay in gratitude for what I do have. Side of the eye, I am open to the possibility that this season can be joyful in its own way. Under the eye, I feel inspired to create holiday spirit in new ways. Under the nose, go ahead and take a deep breath here. And maybe that can even be fun. Maybe I can make new traditions and try new things this season. Under the mouth, I choose to adapt and be flexible amidst all the changes. Collarbone, I know my power. Under the arm, and I trust that all is well. Good. Go ahead and take a deep breath. and relax.